Hello, in the previous class we have seen about different types of donations which will come under section 80G. So in today's class we'll work out a problem. Here one ready-made solution I have and problem I have. Try to understand the solution, and in the next class directly hands-on working we will do. Step-by-step working out we will do. Yeah, so we'll see to the problem. It is all about 80G. You can expect these types of problems for section B and one or two items of 80G under section C also. Now whatever items which are there under 80G we have to consider. So what is asked we'll see first. We have to compute total income. We have to compute the total income. So gross total income is there. Gross total income is given in the problem. We are supposed to calculate the total income. That means from this amount we are supposed to deduct all the deductions which will come from 80C to 80U. Yeah, some of the deductions we have studied. 80C problems also we have worked out. 80D, 80DD, 80DDB, 80E. So these sections we have seen. These are some of the essential sections. 80G also we have studied. Now we'll see what and all items will come here, and based on that we'll apply them and we'll deduct it from the available area where under available sections we'll deduct it. Yeah, so the illustration goes here. A person is given his GTI income for the previous year is 40 lakhs. He makes the following donations. So directly donations are given. So it is all about donations during the previous year. So we are supposed to calculate the amount of his total income. So on total income tax will be levied. So other than 80G, if any items are there, those items also we are supposed to consider. So we'll see. First one, PMNRF, Prime Minister's National Relief Fund, rupees 1 lakh. So if you remember the theory, PMNRF is one of the item which will come under without limit donation. There is no limit for the donation, so it is a valid item for donation. So we can consider this item as a valid item for donation. That item will come under donations. Next, so any amount is given, we can consider. NDF, National Defense Fund or Kargil Fund, this is what we studied, rupees 2 lakh. So this is also similar item which will come under without limit donations. It will come under without limit donations. So first one is 1 lakh, second one is 2 lakh, both will come under without limit donation. Next one, rupees 2 lakh for the repairs and renovation of notified Gurudwara. Now what is this notified Gurudwara? So this item won't come under without limit donation, but it will come under with the limit donation. Under those 6 items, there is one item called religious importance or historical importance. So for that, if you spend any amount, that you can claim as a deduction. Rupees 2 lakh is eligible for deduction, but there is it is a with the limit donation. So certain calculations we are supposed to do, that we'll do later. Yes. Next, 1 lakh rupees to a local college to construct a commerce block. So local college, educational institution it is given, we can consider. Next, rupees 10,000 is given to as a aid to a poor student. So poor student ಗೆ help ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ. So in our first 28 items, or after that 6 items are there, for those items also under those items also, there's none of the item is considered as poor children, aid. Those things are never considered. Yeah, those things are never considered. So I can tell you this item won't come in our calculation. We have to ignore this item. So we'll highlight this particular item so that it will be easy for us to remember later. Poor aid to poor person won't come in our calculation. Next, see here. Next item is rupees 10,000 worth rupees books are donated to approved college. So difference between these two transactions is here both one is given to the student. We cannot consider that because that item is not there anywhere else. Then here it is the kind, books are given, so books we cannot consider in our calculation, so we have to highlight this again. So this item also won't come in our calculation. These two items are not eligible for deduction, they are not coming under 80G. Next item, we'll see the next item. It is rupees 1 lakh to an approved charitable institution. Charitable institution means we can consider it. Charitable institution we can consider. Next one, so it will come under what? It won't come under without limit donation, but it will come under with the limit donation. So till now we saw 7 items. First one is PMNRF. It will come under without limit donation. Next, NDF, National Defense Fund, without limit donation. So next one is Gurudwara. Gurudwara is a with the limit donation. Next one is regarding a college. It is also with limit donation. Aid to a poor student won't come in our calculation. Next one is books donated to our college. Books donated to approved college. It may be approved, but books means it is kind. It won't come in our calculation. Next comes, it is all about yes, municipality for family planning. This we have not seen. Rupees 50,000 to a municipality duly approved for the purpose of family planning. Family planning item, it will come under without limit donation. You have to remember this. So without limit donation, it won't come in our calculation. Last item is there. He has deposited rupees 1 lakh under post office senior citizen savings scheme. So what is the senior citizen savings scheme? Whether it is eligible under any of the deductions? Yes, it is eligible under 80C. Yeah, so there is one deduction called term deposits deduction, postal term deposit. Under this particular item will come. So 1 lakh rupees I can consider under 80C. So this 1 lakh rupees I have to consider under 80C. One more thing, I have to consider it while calculating adjusted total income. Adjusted total income yake beku? Adjusted total income is needed to find out the limit of the donation under second part. Yeah, under 28 donation, first Gandhian family and drought relief fund we are considering, and other than these will come under second category. So for that, with the limit, without limit calculation madlikke, for the with limit calculation madlikke, we have to calculate adjusted total income. That calculation will do it. Yeah, so it will come under 80C. This item will come under 80C. We'll highlight it so that we can remember it later. So we'll highlight with some other color so that it will we can remember this. So it is a scheme. It will come under 80C. As I told, it will come under 80C. So what is asked, we have to calculate is total income. Gross total income is given for our given for this particular. Yes, this is a solution which is available with us. We'll discuss about this solution and then we'll cross check later what and all things are given there, whether we have considered all the items, all those things. We'll check it later. Yeah, so now I told from the gross total income of rupees 40 lakhs, all the deductions we are supposed to do. So there were some of the deductions which were available for us. So we'll see whether those items are considered here. We'll see the format first, then one by one item we will discuss. See there, gross total income is there. From that 80 deduction we are supposed to consider. You may be remember there's one last item was there, section 80C item, that is a term deposit I told, senior citizen savings scheme. So that is considered under 80C. All these are donations. First enta madidare, without limit donation consider madidare. After that with the limit is considered. Then with the limit, in the sense limit we have to find out. It is the maximum of 10% of adjusted total income. Why it is 39 lakh? Because 40,000 minus long-term capital gain, short-term capital gain, plus any 80 deductions except 80G. So there is one item 1 lakh, so that's why it is 39. So we compared both the things. Lowest is considered, then rate of deduction, what is 100%, what is 50%, and the final answer. So we'll see one by one all the items here. you can see Prime Minister's National Relief Fund of rupees 1 lakh. So it is a without, first of all, first thing what we have to do is we have to differentiate it as with the limit and without limit donation. First, for Prime Minister's National Relief Fund, see PMNRF 1 lakh we have considered. One more is, next one is for the National Defense Fund 2 lakh. There are only two items which are without limit. Without limit iddadu ಎರಡು item ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಂಟು. So we will write as it is. Without limit means there is no limit, any amount of money you can donate. So that's why it is with since it is a without limit donation, directly we have written. But when it comes to with the limit donation, there is a limit for everything. So that item we are supposed to consider here. Now with the limit, there are many items which can be considered. One is repairs and renovation of notified Gurudwara, religious importance, historical importance I told. So that item is considered here, notified Gurudwara, but we cannot write it in outer column directly. Why? Because we don't know what is our maximum limit. Yes. Then next one, books to, yeah, before that, donation is done to a local college for the construction of a commerce block. It is not important which block it is, but donation is given to education institution, local institution, and here college in the sense, definitely it is registered under university or it may be under the government. So we can consider it as approved institution. We have considered these two things won't come. We have discussed about that. Charitable institution we have considered. Family planning we have considered. So these all the items we have totaled, and total is total ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, so total will come up to 4,50,000. But 4,50,000 I cannot write it in the outer column because it is maximum of 10% of adjusted total income. So 10% of adjusted total income calculate ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, so what will be the adjusted total income? It is gross total income minus 80 deductions, and if there is LTCG, STCG, that also we have to deduct. There is no LTCG, STCG, only one deduction is there, ATC. So when you deduct these two things, you will arrive at an answer of 39 lakh. So it is 10% of ATI andre 3,90,000. maximum 3,90,000 consider ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 4,50,000 consider ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. So 3,90,000 amount ನಾನು outer column ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೇನೆ. First ನಾನು ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆದೆ because there is no limit. Here we have to consider it as with the limit. There is no limit for first thing. Here there is a limit, maximum cap of 3,90,000. So that's why we have written it as 3,90,000. So I have considered the total. So total donations are 6,90,000. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಇರುವುದು 6,90,000. ಆದರೆ 6,90,000 ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ 6,90,000 ನಾವು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಆ 6,90,000 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಲಿಮಿಟ್, 50% ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್, 100% ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಉಂಟು. ಸೊ ನಾವು in 6,90,000, 3 deductions are eligible for 100% deduction. One is PMNRF, NDF, and in the second list 2 items. One is Olympic Association, one more is family planning. So family planning item is there. So 1, 2, 3. So 1 lakh, 2 lakh, then 50,000. That means 3,50,000 we have considered with 100% deduction. So directly 100% deduction ಆಯ್ತು. So ಈ 3,50,000 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಮುಟ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಲೈನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 6,90,000 ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ 6,90,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3,50,000 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್. 3,50,000 is already gone. So what is remaining? 3,40,000. 3,50,000 is gone. 3,40,000 is available. So 50% of that. So 100% ಇಷ್ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಉಳಿದದ್ದು 50% ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 3,40,000 ಇನ್ನ 50% ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1,70,000. ಸೊ ಅಂಡರ್ 50% ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ 1,70,000 is eligible. So we are totaling these two things, 100% and 50%, will get an amount of 5,20,000. This is our total deductions, total eligible donations. So 1 lakh is there, ATC, ATG is there, 5,20,000. We will bring it to outer column, we'll deduct from gross total income, we'll get the final answer. That final answer is our total income. Total income is